Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, and today's Friday, November 19th, 2021. It is 5:32 and 10 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Crohn's disease. So let's hop to it here. The study links stress to Crohn's disease flare-ups. Date November 18th, 2021. Source, McMaster University. Researchers using mouse models found that stress hormones suppress the innate immune system that normally protects the gut from invasive Enterobacteriaceae, a group of bacteria, including E. coli, which has been linked to Crohn's disease. The key to innate immunity is a protective barrier of epithelial cells in the gut, which rely on molecular signals from immune cells to keep out harmful microbes, repair the cell wall, and secrete mucus. Without properly functioning immune cells, the epithelial cellular wall can break down, allowing microbes associated with Crohn's disease to invade the gut and trigger symptom flare-ups. The main takeaway is that psychological stress impedes the body's ability to fight off gut bacteria that may be implicated in Crohn's disease. Innate immunity is designed to protect us from microbes that do not belong in the gut, like harmful bacteria. When our innate immune system functions properly, it prevents harmful bacteria from colonizing us. But when it breaks down, it leaves an opening for pathogens to colonize locations they normally cannot and cause illness. Researchers say removing stress hormones in the mouse models restored proper function to immune cells and epithelial cells, blocking the invasion of harmful microbes. While the discovery could lead to new treatments for Crohn's disease, researchers emphasize these findings are still at the preclinical stage and more work needs to be done. The more we know about what triggers Crohn's disease, the closer we come to new treatments and potentially even disease prevention. Crohn's disease is an inflammatory condition that causes inflammation, ulcers, and scarring in the digestive system. While its root cause is still not fully understood, researchers say patients with the disease often have an altered gut microbiome dominated by the Enterobacteriaceae like E. coli. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD, PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.